So we're gonna weld galvanized steel with silicon bronze wire. So it's more of a brazing type weld. So what we're gonna do is replace the spacer in the front nozzle here with a 7mm, and that's for soft metal / reflective metal, since silicon bronze is more reflective and soft than steel. So replace that. We're going to set our wire feed to 75 centimeters per minute, our LightWELD XR to setting mode F5, 350 watts, minus 20% on the wobble. And what that's going to do is it's going to keep the beam more focused on the actual wire than the material, so do more of a brazing type weld to it. Okay, let's get to it. As you can see, while I am welding here, the smoke and fumes are greatly reduced. We also have low heat input, so we don't get distortion on the part. This is a real benefit for welding galvanized steel, especially in HVAC applications. And as you can see here, we have another great looking weld using silicon bronze wire with galvanized steel and the LightWELD XR.